Digital rights management, DRM, is crucial for protecting your valuable audio and video content from unauthorized access and distribution. By enabling DRM protection on your files, you can ensure that only authorized users can view and use your content, safeguarding your intellectual property. This guide will walk you through the steps to enable DRM protection for your content in a few simple steps. Go to Products in your dashboard and select Contents from the list. Next, click on the Upload Content button. Now click on Select Files to Upload and choose the files from your device. Select Files to upload from your device. After uploading, enter the title and click Save. To protect your audio-video file with DRM, click the Link or Manage button. Toggle the switch to enable DRM protection. Returning to the content page, you'll see the DRM protected icon indicating protection. To protect an existing file, navigate to the content page and click on the file. Toggle the switch to enable protection. By following these steps, you can ensure your valuable content is protected with DRM, preventing unauthorized downloads and usage. Always remember to toggle the switch to enable DRM protection.